And fourth quarter tayo. Let's go. Wala. It's a technical. Technical for Samson. Wala. Uy! Ayan na si number 16. Uy! Wala. Out of bounds. Steal. That's a traveling violation. Basket. Oh, what a block.
Na-block ko din ko, Patrick Ave, kita sa kay Paulite, pwede ko na 5 ayun, 3, 2, 1!
In and out, rebound by Palak. Wala. There's a foul. Uy, wala. Steal. Number 16, Hesi, binigay sa loob. Patrick Ave with a crazy layup. Oh, steal ulit ng Vivo. Pass to Patrick Ave. Bumangga, wala. Rebound by Riley. Out and pass, Palak. Basket. Number 16. Still. Kitang-kita ni ang Samsung ang depensa. What a nice defense for Samsung. Substitution. Abe. Didiskarte. Tupid. Nakalusot. In and out nga lang. Rebound by Palak. Pass number 7. Out that pass. 2 against 1. Gets the 3. Bang! 52-55. Oh my goodness. It's a foul. Florida. Florida. Second shot, no good. 52-55. Number 7, 4-3, short. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Thank you. Pass number 31. Oh, still. Pass number 7. Basket. That's good. Ayun na, 54. Isa na lang. Ang lamang ng Vivo. Patrick Abe, pull up. No good. Rebound by Riley. Number 7. No basket. That's a travel. Violation. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes na naman po ang natitira sa ating laban. Ligit pa rin. Lamang ng isa ang Vivo. Oy, napatawan. Oy. Outside. Kita yun ang ating referee. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Bola ng Samsung. Handoff. Sorry, that's Vivo. Babawi sa 3. Short. bola rito ng Vivo. Basket. Oy, out of bounds. Last 49 seconds. Steal. Oh, there's a foul. And shoutout po. Number 19 in the free throw area. Oh, basket. Step in daw. Basket. Ayan na. Oh, steal. Steal pa ng Vivo. Ang bola. Inuubos na lamang. Last 33 seconds. Number 31. Fake. Wala. Another rebound for Vivo. Last 15 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score 58-54. Panalo po ang Vivo. Congratulations Vivo, and a nice game for Samsung. Alright, muli maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, at hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo next week. And we'd like to thank syempre ang lahat ng bubuo sa ating liga. And special thanks by Ma'am Ivy Yang and the Easy Group Mancom. And shout out sa inyo Sir Ronald Chan, Alma Buentibo, Aubrey Estelier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ann, Nesky Roy, Patricia Dolot, Jovel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hannah Calimon. Ayan, makita kayo hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. This is your 1TM. Hold on. And this is your 1TM. We innovate, we evolve, smarter, bolder, and stronger. And we'd like to thank the One Orange Telecommunication Trading Incorporation, AMMSI, the Shivers Manpower Management Service Incorporation, SMBP, Pills Corp, Semi Incorporation, and dyan din ang Gizmo Central. Yan. This is your Xiaomi, Vivo, Samsung, and DJI teams. Siyempre, di na makakalimutan ang One Drone Incorporation. Ayan, hanggang sa muli. Good night everyone. Keep safe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.